Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's all about the future of clean energy. Hydrogen plants. What are they, and how do they work? Let's break it down. A hydrogen plant is a facility where hydrogen gas is produced, usually through a process called electrolysis or steam methane reforming. Don't worry if those terms sound a bit complicated, we'll explain them step by step. First off, why hydrogen? Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe and can be a key player in the clean energy revolution. When burned or used in fuel cells, hydrogen only produces water as a byproduct, making it a super eco-friendly alternative to fossil fuels. Let's talk about electrolysis. This is one of the most exciting methods for producing hydrogen because it uses electricity to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. Here's how it works. 1. Water source. We start with water, which is H2O, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. 2. Electrolyzer. The water is fed into an electrolyzer. This machine uses electricity to split the water molecules. 3. Hydrogen production. The result? Hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. The hydrogen can be collected and stored, while the oxygen is released into the atmosphere. The cool thing about electrolysis is that if the electricity used is from renewable sources like solar or wind, then the entire process is super clean. Another common method is steam methane reforming, or SMR. This process is a bit different. 1. Natural gas. SMR starts with natural gas, which is mostly methane, CH4. 2. Steam and heat. The methane is mixed with steam and heated up to very high temperatures. 3. Reaction. This causes a chemical reaction where the methane splits into hydrogen and carbon dioxide. 4. Hydrogen production. The hydrogen is then separated out, and the carbon dioxide can be captured and stored or used in other ways. SMR is widely used but has a catch: it generates carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas. That's why many are looking at combining SMR with carbon capture technologies or shifting to electrolysis for cleaner hydrogen production. Once hydrogen is produced, it needs to be stored and transported. Since hydrogen is the smallest and lightest molecule, it's often stored in high-pressure tanks or as a liquid in cryogenic tanks. It's then distributed to where it's needed, whether for fuel cells in vehicles, power plants, or industrial processes. So, to wrap it up, hydrogen plants play a crucial role in creating clean energy from hydrogen. Whether through electrolysis or steam methane reforming, these plants help pave the way for a more sustainable future. If you enjoyed this deep dive into hydrogen plants, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content on the latest in tech and sustainability, and drop any questions you have about hydrogen in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.